This for your thunderstorm warning has just been issued.
You dropped me off at the hardware store.
Oh, shoot.
Hey.
The National Weather Service installed.
Hi. Say hi to Ashley.
I did. Hi, Ashley.
Northern Lake County in the Panhandle of Idaho, northeastern Whitman County, southeastern Spokane County, and northeast Washington until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from near Colfax to 8 miles northeast of Fauville and moving north at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include St. Mary's, Plummer, Potlatch, Harrison, Parkline, Palouse, Pico, Fairfield, Garfield, Rosalia, Rockford, Oaksdale, Spangle, Worley, Onaway, Latah, Farmington, Tensed, Waverly, and Demita. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. This is a very dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Idaho, Benoit, Kootenai, and Latah, and the following counties in Washington, Spokane, and Whitman. Severe